As most of you know who have tried TradingView scripts, automation has been a huge bottleneck for many of the strategies up to this point. There have been many options in the past, such as AutoView and the Jbot TradingView add-on. However, there have been many issues with both of those, such as reliability issues and errors that come up that may cause the bot to either crash or not execute the order. So today I'm going to be telling you about a solution that I have come across that I have found to be 100% reliable when executing TradingView alerts, therefore being able to automate TradingView scripts, including the AutoMoon TradingView scripts. Now, before I get into this video, I do just want to say that if you guys are interested in some TradingView scripts, I do have a company called AutoMoon where we do offer TradingView scripts, and we recently did create a Discord. If you guys are interested in joining, check out the link in the description down below. However, let's get into the video talking about the TradingView bot. So Jubot is advertised to be 100% reliable when it comes to TradingView automation and has many cool features that other TradingView bots lack. So first off, let's just get into what exchanges this bot supports. Currently, they support BitMEX, Binance, and Bitfinex, which I would say are the three most important exchanges, specifically Binance and BitMEX, one for leverage trading and one for altcoins. So I would say for most people, you should be covered by all the exchanges. And I'm not too sure about what the developer plans on doing in terms of future exchanges. However, I do know that this bot was definitely built on the whole idea of quality over quantity. So currently the pricing for the bot is $30 per month for one exchange only, and that allows you to run up to 5 accounts, meaning 5 different API keys. So that may be a feature that you are interested in if you are trying to run multiple accounts. However, I do find the pricing to be definitely quite good. So obviously the main question is going to be, what does it offer? What type of features does this bot offer that other TradingView bots don't have? So first off, Jubot has built-in error handling, and this is a huge feature that many other bots do not have, such as AutoView, where if you were trying to automate BitMEX on AutoView, then what would happen sometimes is whenever the exchange was getting overloaded, specifically in times of high volume, then whenever AutoView tried to place the order on BitMEX, it would not go through, causing you to miss the trade, and AutoView would do nothing about trying to fix that. So what Jubot does is when there is an error that comes up from the exchange, for example, the exchange does not process the order or there's some type of error, then Jubot will keep retrying to place the order until it goes through in order to make sure that you never miss any trades. So that is super important, and I'm really happy they have that. And another really cool feature that they have is the Telegram notifications and remote control. So basically what that means is you can control this bot directly from your phone on Telegram in order to view the trades and also enable or disable your bot. So if there's ever an issue with Jubot, like it runs into an error or it crashes, then you will be notified on your phone and you can manually stop the bot by yourself or see any trades that are happening on your account. I think this is super useful, and I'm really happy that they have this feature. Now, one of the most important things they also have on Jubot is really good syntax. Obviously, syntax is almost everything when it comes to these bots, and what syntax is it is what you put into the TradingView alerts whenever you are creating them. So for example, right here on my account, this is the syntax that I'm running on my personal trade bot, and I will explain what they all do in a second here. So here's the nice guide for all the syntax on Jubot. And first off, you start with a very simple base that has entry long, entry short, exit long, exit short, or exit all. And along with these basic features, a lot of stuff does happen in the background, which I will explain in a second. So then all you need to say, determine the exchange that you are using, the pair that you are using, the quantity per trade, and they do allow percentages, which I find to be very useful. So as your position, So as your balance does increase, you can then trade based on your account size instead of just being limited to a specific quantity. You can also choose the leverage, which is very important for trading on leverage exchanges. And this is one of the most important features that I've seen on here, stop loss. I think stop loss is great that they have on this bot. And along with stop loss, they also have take profit and trailing stop loss. And then the final thing that you can determine is the time frame, which helps the bot go against duplicate order protection, meaning if there is ever two orders for the same trade that comes through from TradingView, that's actually an error that happens from time to time, then the bot can detect that and it will only make one of the orders go through. How Jubot has been built is it has been built from the ground up to deal with all of the errors, not only from exchanges, but also from TradingView, in order to make sure that everything is 100% reliable. And that's something I really want to stress with this. When looking for a bot to automate TradingView, one of the most important things that I was looking for is reliability, so that I could personally use the AutoMoon scripts with more funds than I could before, and also just so I knew that if I was recommending it, that people would be happy with what they were receiving. And I definitely think that Jubot has allowed me to receive reliable trades from my TradingView scripts. So now I'm going to get into a simple guide on how to use Jubot. Once you have purchased Jubot, you will receive a license key and you will receive access to the download section on their Discord. And then once you download Jubot, you will be presented with a folder like this after you have extracted the file. And then what you want to do is you want to order the files by type. This just makes it easier for you to find the files that you have to edit. And I know this might seem a little bit scary at first, but trust me, it is very, very simple to enter in all your details. So then you can see right here, you have the email details, Jubot subscription, keys, BitMEX, my config, Telegram details, and TV details that you can enter. And all you need to do is you can go ahead and edit these files with whatever desired program you decide to use. And once you open these files, you will then be able to edit your API key or license key for Jubot, your email details in order for Jubot to connect to your TradingView email and view the alerts, your TradingView details, which is another cool feature where Jubot basically scans not only your email for TradingView alerts, but it can also scan TradingView itself for any alerts that pop up, similar to what AutoView used. But basically what this allows you to do is it allows you to have two layers of protection. Not only is it scanning your email, but also TradingView itself. Then you can enter in your Telegram details, any of the more specific details in your config that can once again put even more features on the bot. And then finally your API keys for BitMEX. And I do want to say that a lot of these settings are optional. For example, I personally do not use the Telegram bot or the TradingView login. I personally only use the email login as well as my BitMEX keys and the Jubot subscription. So all of the other settings are pretty much optional, but once you enter everything in and you hit save, all you will need to do is go back over to the folder and then run this file right here, and Jubot will start running. I personally am not going to show my setup as I don't want to reveal any of my information that I am running on TradingView. However, it is as easy as that. Once you have it running, it will start scanning your email, and once it receives an alert from TradingView with the syntax that I talked about earlier that is shown on the guide, then it will automate all of the trades to your desired exchanges. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you have learned something new about TradingView automation, or hopefully you have found a bot that you can now use in order to automate your TradingView scripts. Make sure you guys let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. If you guys have any questions, make sure to join our new Discord AutoMoon group, and make sure to check out the AutoMoon scripts. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one.